Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare a very tasty yet super easy tomato salad to make, as a starter for example. This salad needs a vinaigrette, so I invite you to watch the video I made about the vinaigrette, which is available clicking up over there. What you will need to make a tomato salad for 4 is 3 tomatoes, 5 fluid ounces of vinaigrette. Watch the video to check how to make a vinaigrette. 1 medium-sized onion, a bunch of washed and chopped parsley. French word of the day. The French word of the day is couteau for knife. Couteau. Gently carve a cross on the top of each tomato with a knife to open the skin. Dive the tomatoes for 1 minute in boiling water and drain them. Peel the tomatoes. Thinly slice tomatoes and display them in a flat dish. Pour vinaigrette on top of the slices. Slice the onion and display slices on top of the tomatoes. Sprinkle washed and chopped parsley on top of it. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so please give us a thumb up to show your support. You may also want to comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. Maybe you have your own recipe for the vinaigrette. Just let me know. I'm always curious about that. Yeah! Also subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all the new videos we're doing. It helps us a lot. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt!